Right, so we've got the WR125, which is one of three I've owned. Well, not the WR125, but I've owned the YZF-R125, MT125, and now I've just got this one after my MT125 got stolen. To be fair, it's probably the best one out of the series, or out of all the 125 Yamahas anyway. It's good fun, to be fair. It's got a full arrow exhaust. So I don't know, plate. Pops and bangs on command. I don't know why. I think it's running rich. I paid $1,400, which is quite cheap for these bikes. And to be fair, it's a really good neck. But I would suggest if ever you're going to buy one, be very wary who you're buying it off, because a lot of teenagers will own this bike, and most of the time they're their first bikes and they don't really know how to maintain. Usually the best thing to check on that kind of stuff is the tyres, really. Make sure the tyres are matching. If tyres aren't matching, then you can pretty much tell it's been run on a budget. Find out when it was last serviced. Most people are going to service themselves, so chances are there won't be any receipts for it. But as long as you service them once every, I'd say, 1,200 miles, it'll last you forever, really, because these engines are pretty much bomb-proof. But you know, if little Jack has told you that it's had a full engine rebuild, him and his uncle have done it, you know, chances are it's a load of shit and they'd just walk away. These kind of things, you know, you need to be done by professionals if you want them to last. Just walk away, leave it, look for another one. You know, a lot of people will say, yeah, for a 125, it's quite expensive. But they run amazing, really. I mean, you've got the option, you can go out and pay £800 for a Synthesis, or whatever it's called, the fucking Kung Po chicken Chinese shit. Which, yeah, might do the job. But at the end of the day, a lot of people say, oh, Chinese bikes have changed, they've changed. They're still shit. No matter what, Chinese bikes will always be shit. I mean, a lot of people that will say there's nothing wrong with them are just people that can't afford to go out and buy a Japanese bike and are in denial. But, you know what I mean, whatever you pay for it, you're going to get back for it no matter what, as long as you haven't brought it brand new. If you brought it used, you're going to get your money back no matter what. But I'm 6'4", and I put both feet on the ground. It fits me perfect, really. Not the smallest person in the world. Your average speed's going to consist maybe 65 mile per hour. But yeah, if you're ever going to get a WR125, or any kind of 125, I'd definitely recommend the WR125. This is the X version. There is an R version, which does have wider wheels. Well, not wider, just bigger wheels with the off-road tyres, more like your Enduro style. But a bit of advice: don't get shorty levers, because they're shit. Got a wobble on that shit. So I'll be going back to OME on that. And somebody, they've changed the original Brembo to some Chinese tank. That'll be going as well. But yeah, WR125. If you want one, go get one.